Hey lovies, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Malia, and we are doing all things mental and physical wellness. So today we are doing a little mental wellness, talking about our crystal of the day, which is this one. It is called the Rainbow Moonstone. I'll put it up kind of close, see if it'll focus. Let me turn my light off, just so you can get a sense of what it really looks like. It's white with sort of like clear, maybe bluish gray reflex in it. So of course it comes much bigger, but yeah, that's just the one that I have, and this was actually one of the last crystals that I picked up before I left Chicago. It was the Rainbow Moonstone. I have not put it to its full use yet, but we're gonna talk about it. And y'all know I'm looking over at my little computer because I have some little notes so we can talk about what it's like. So and what just, like how to harness the powers of the Rainbow Moonstone. It helps to balance out the third eye chakra, the crown chakra, and the sacral chakra, which is located 2 inches below the belly button. And it's said physically that the moonstone can promote conception, by aiding all aspects of the reproductive system, and it has the ability to balance hormonal and menstrual cycles in women. It is also known to help with the digestive system, which is one of the reasons that I really got it, because I feel like that is something that is often out of balance in me. So I picked up the Rainbow Moonstone to use to aid in the digestive system. It helps to aid in the absorption of essential minerals into the body, working on the liver and essential vitamins that the body needs. And it is legend to be told that, which a lot of the stones that you use are, or the crystals that you use are, that Rainbow Moonstone brings good luck. It is believed that you could see the future by holding it in your mouth during a full moon. So that's something that I have not tried, but we also use the full moon in order to charge our crystals. So to take the Rainbow Moonstone a step further, you can hold it in your mouth. Make sure you don't swallow. Just hold it in the mouth during the full moon. Sit in a quiet spot, just allowing that full moon light to come into the body, into the stone, and work its way through. It is said to raise our vibrational frequency, or our vibrational energy that we gain from the earth. So it can create a smoother transition into meditation. So this is a great crystal to use when sitting around doing some meditating, laying down doing some meditating, at the end of your yoga practice, when you are laying down in your shavasana. So that is just a great way. It just helps to bring in that quiet space. It gives you something a little extra to maybe concentrate on, so that you can clear the mind, and allow the meditation to just take place, or however you like to meditate. I mean, it doesn't always have to be a quiet space. I like to listen to music sometimes when I meditate. Sometimes my meditation is sitting in my car, being still for just a moment, taking deep breaths. So definitely keep your moonstone on hand so you can do that. Like I said, it is used with the sacral chakra, And like I said, the sacral chakra is, I'm going to stand up, show you guys, located 2 inches, back up so you can see, below my belly button here, so 2 inches below the belly button. That will be right here in this area. So if you want to balance that sacral chakra using the moonstone, you might want to lie with it on that area in the body, or sit with the hands over the heart and one hand on that area with the moonstone in that hand, or just placing it somewhere near you or on your person while you touch that area of your body. We know that the color of that sacral chakra is orange, so it could be good to be wearing orange while using the moonstone, eating orange foods, carrots, oranges, drinking orange juice, just being surrounded so that you can level up that chakra area. So keeping the moonstone on hand while you do that, wearing orange, eating orange foods, that type of thing. And the sacral chakra helps to balance out the sensitivity, the sexuality, the intimacy of the body. So if you need to level up those areas or balance out that area of your chakra using the moonstone, doing those few things that I mentioned before. Also use to balance out the crown chakra, which is here at the top of the head, and the color associated with the crown chakra are like a deep, dark, royal purple, a nice deep, dark set purple. So in order to balance out that area, you might want to sit with the moonstone placed on that area, maybe holding it in that area, wearing the color purple, eating deep purple foods like plums, wearing even maybe a deep color piece on your head, just enveloping that color. And the name of the Sanskrit name for the crown chakra is Sahasrara, and it helps to balance out our habits. It helps to balance out our feeling of exhaustion, a scattered brain, dullness. So once again, using that rainbow moonstone, balancing out the crown chakra. Being grounded while doing that is a good way. Maybe sitting in an area surrounded by purple on top of a deep purple blanket. Doing all of those things can help to balance. Drinking like grape juice because it has that nice deep purple color. Eating dark, deep colored grapes helps to balance out the crown chakra. Yeah. So the rainbow moonstone is good for helping to balance that area of the chakra. It is also good at helping to balance our third eye chakra, which is located right here. So you can sit, place the moonstone in that area, or just simply touch that area, doing prayer hands, keeping that area touched. You can put the moonstone in between your hands, put your hands up to that area on your forehead, and it helps balance out that third eye, which is our foresight and our intuition and our imagination. So the color for that chakra are deep blue, so eating blueberries, wearing nice deep blue colors, being really still, really grounded, maybe closing the eyes. Yeah. And the reason why you want to use that moonstone is because it helps balance out those areas of those chakras. So that's how you can keep them balanced or help to balance them out. A little more information on the moonstone. In India, it says that they are regarded as dream stones, which bring the wearer beautiful visions at night. So maybe putting it under your pillow or keeping it on the nightstand next to you, helping to bring in those beautiful, wonderful dreams. I think that might be how I use it tonight. But because it has all those other properties, it will help. As I was saying before our little tragic accident, it'll help balance out all those areas of that we talked about previously, balancing out those different chakras, helping with like we said, the menstrual cycle and all those things. And I think that's all the information that I have. Oh, nope, one more thing. So it's good for men to use as well, even though it's good for all that good feminine energy. If men use it, it helps influence their brains and helps them to become more emotionally balanced. Yeah, so it's not just a good crystal to help aid in the things that women needed to aid in. It is good for the men to use as well. So all the information that you guys have about the rainbow moonstone. Let me know if you like this video, if you want to hear more crystal talk, if you want to get more into it, if you have any questions about it that I might be able to answer for you. Always give me a like and a subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get those notifications about when I may upload my next video. And hopefully this is the first one of many more like little nice crystal videos to come. So I'll see you lovies in my next video. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.